If you're a fan of Batwoman or Orange is the New Black, what you're searching for on Google might be getting you into trouble. Cybersecurity firm McAfee named actress Ruby Rose the riskiest celebrity to search for online. McAfee's study reveals which celebrity searches generate results that could potentially expose fans to malicious websites. Rose is a model and TV star whose name created a burst of online buzz when she was selected to play Batwoman in an upcoming series. Reality star Kristin Cavallari finished behind Rose at number 2, followed by actress MARION at number 3. McAfee says cybercriminals thrive on using celebrities to trick fans into clicking on sites that they use to steal your personal info and passwords. McAfee says you should be careful what you click, apply system updates, and use online security systems to protect yourself.